Venom SK125-22 in complete frosty weather, and we're talking about the tire pressures. So on the manual from Sanke does say 225 kPa. So when I look in the translator in PSI it would be 32.5. So because it's so frosty, any tire pressure lost will be significant. So I just want to make sure that I have a correct tire pressure in there. Let's have a look. So if I pump it up now, you can see it's only about 20 psi, and that's way too low. By having too low tire pressure, obviously I'm losing the grip of the road. So I want to pump it up. I'm just using a standard bicycle pump, nothing too special, but then again it works just fine. So I'm just reached 30. That's gonna be my pretty much 32 there. And in between those dials, that's about 33. So I could release that. Let's put the cap back on. And let's move on to the back tire, which is, in my opinion, the most important one, because obviously this is the one that pushes your bicycle up the road. There you go. Let's have a look what pressure we got. So it looks about 20. Again, let's pump that up. Okay. So hopefully now I'm gonna have a better tire pressure for this frosty weather to ride on. That's Lexmoto SK125-22 Venom.